Okay, so we got this whole delicious box of Yowie chocolates. Okay, here they are. So cute, right, Waverly? Do you just love them? Should we open another one?
Yeah.
Which one? You want that one? Okay, let's open them up. Oh, the cutest little yummiest chocolate. You ready? Should we open them up? Okay, open up the Yowie. Oh, she's eating other chocolate here. Look at this, all this delicious chocolate. I need a piece. Okay, ready? What do you think is gonna be in this one?
No.
You don't know? Oh, what's that?
There's a baby chocolate. Baby chocolate. It's kind of like a crocodile.
It's kind of like a crocodile?
Yeah.
Yep. Well, what is it actually, though?
A beer.
A whale?
A beer.
A what?
A beer.
It's a beer?
Yeah. It's a mommy chocolate. It's a mommy chocolate. Mommy chocolate. Like it's something going to drink.
It's a beer, like something you're going to drink.
Yeah.
Do you drink a lot of beer?
Mhm.
You do?
But I don't like it.
This one has a... What's that?
A monkey.
It's a monkey. What's a monkey say? And what's this? Right here.
A dolphin.
A dolphin? Try again. Do, do.
A shark.
Do, 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 do.